This is your Evergreen Minute. I'm Staff Sergeant Peter Christian. A few weeks ago, we talked about a nationwide earthquake drill that Washington residents would be participating in called the Great Shakeout. On Thursday, over 1 million Washingtonians had registered for the event, which was initiated by the Washington Emergency Management Division at Camp Murray. In the Cascadia subduction zone, earthquakes are a much more common occurrence than most Washington residents realize. But the Great Washington Shakeout also aims to test the tsunami alert system, as earthquakes have been known to cause tsunamis.
It's the perfect opportunity to test the system, make sure it's robust, and ensure that it's working the way that we intended to when something does happen. All of these little dots represent our tsunami warning siren system, and we're going to activate the tsunami warning system as part of the Great Shakeout earthquake drill because earthquakes cause tsunamis. In Washington, we get more than 2,700 earthquakes every year. Most of them aren't felt, so people aren't necessarily always thinking about earthquake safety, but we can see, certainly there's a cluster within Washington. So, good reminder for us that Washington is earthquake country and we need to be prepared when the time comes.
This drill is over. Visit shakeout.org for simple steps to help you survive and recover from a major earthquake. Thank you for taking part in the Great Shakeout.